In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the #1 best turbo kit that you could get right now for your 5.7 Hemi. That's definitely affordable. What is going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the best single turbo kit for your Ram 1500. 5.7 Hemi, and I'm pretty sure some of you guys have heard of them before. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the #1 best turbo kit that you could get right now for your 5.7 Hemi. That's definitely affordable. So this is known as the OWN 3 single turbo kit, and this is designed for Ram, any kind of Hemis, and I believe any other trucks out there too. This is a single turbo kit, and it's capable of making at least 1,000 horsepower. But with bone stock, this and that, you could usually probably make like 500 or close to 600. So first thing first, I want to say, if you are in the market and you don't know which one to go with, turbo or Whipple, this and that, I did made a video in the past about a Whipple and stuff, and I kind of was leaning on the fence of doing a Whipple. But these two, is like, the whole purpose of me making this video is because you got those who want to spend more money to make more power. If you got to look at it this way: if you want to make more power, you're gonna have to spend more money. But if you want to make power and not trying to make crazy power, I'll say you more so want to look at a turbo and stuff like that. Like, that's when I feel like a turbo kit is better for you. But if you really want to hang with the big dogs and make some real power, then a Whipple and some kind of, you know, crazy supercharger is the way to go. But it's going to cost a lot more money. So this one is really for the guys who really don't want to spend a lot of money but want to make some great power. And I did my research, and I was able to, you know, I'd seen a lot of good reviews about this company, and they make single turbo kits for Ram 1500 5.7 Hemi. And their name is OWN 3, pretty much. They do have a YouTube channel. I do have, they have the same, pretty much, I believe it was a 2013 14-ish Ram that they have the same exact kit that pretty much will fit on my truck, that they did some things to, and is making at least like 722 horsepower, and which is kind of crazy because they do still have like stock 5.7 intake, stock fill rails and stuff, and there's certain things that's changed up about it. And this kit definitely does fit, I believe, 09 to 17 Ram. So if you're in between that, this and that, this is for you. And price range for this is why I say it's extremely affordable. It's about $3,450, which is not that bad. It's a couple thousand less than you paying to go with a supercharger and stuff. That's probably going to be at least like $7 grand. But once again, it all comes down to your needs and how much you willing to spend and what kind of power are you willing to make. But I personally feel like this is the best starter kit right here for you, for your Ram. If you definitely, like me, you have a bone stock truck, and you're just looking to make some, probably 700 horsepower is a lot, to be honest. Even 650 around there, anywhere in the 6 is a lot of power. And with this kit, they are saying that this kit easily could, with stock, pretty much stock bottom ends, all that stuff, is like, you could easily make like 570, close to 6, which is really not that bad. But if you really want to push it up, you could. It's capable of making 1,000 horsepower. What? You got to change. You know, obviously, the more power you trying to make, the more you got to start changing some things up. So you could be looking at 575 to like 600, which is crazy good for a single turbo kit for Ram 5.7 Hemi. The price is affordable, and these are some of the things that that I've seen that caught my attention. And I'm gonna show you guys a little clip of their the shop and their personal truck that they have the same exact kit on. So they just go more so into deep details with everything that's done and what's like what do you expect with the kit. So check it out right here.
Hard to see back there, recirculated into the 3.5-inch downpipe that works its way down. I'll show you that later. We run the stock 5.7 intake, stock fuel rails, upgraded injectors. On3 has a dual pump fuel system, which we utilize on our shop truck as well.
You guys are seeing what he just said, and I think it's kind of crazy because it's in a good way. Like, this is a great kit for you to go with if you in the market trying to get your Ram 5.7 single turbo, or you more so like a turbo guy, you trying to look for a good turbo kit. This is the best one to go with, and it's capable of making 1,000 to the wheels. 722 is their shop truck, making 722 right now. We just kind of seen maybe a little bit more because that video is a little bit older. So now it's like, before then it was a 722 horsepower, which is insane right there. Like 722, that's pretty fast and pretty quick. So he tell you guys pretty much everything about what you want to know about that kit. So if you are in the market, you want to get that kit for your Ram, or you're looking for a turbo kit, this is the one. This is not a sponsorship, but this is just me seeing some you know, something that's really a good quality parts and stuff about, you know, Ram. I like that. I'm just showing love strictly, so it's not anything that's going to benefit me, this and that. If you go ahead and buy that kit, I'm just strictly trying to share something with you guys and stuff. But that's definitely going to be it. Make sure, guys, you subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.